Hola students, yeah, now it's Meet BGU time. Get ready, prepare your book, pencil, and here we go. And right now we are going to do add and subtract mixed numbers. Yeah. Okay. Please open your page 67 and 68. The first one we want to add first, adding mixed number. How to do this? So we will do this vertically. Vertically is going like this. We do vertical form display to count. And how to do this one? The first one is you need to start with smallest unit. With the smallest unit or the place with the least value when adding it. Okay, so which unit in this mixed number should we subtract first? Yes, fraction. We need to do not subtract, add the fraction first. Okay, don't get confused. Denominator still same. Okay, don't do anything with the denominator. Just put the denominator there. We have third right now, and then we add 1. What do we need to add? Okay, the numerator only. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and what's next? The second step, the second one is we need to add the whole number. What is this? 2 and 1. 2 plus 1, of course, 3. See, we have the answer. Easy, right? Okay, so how to draw the circle? Yeah, right now let's draw this one first. Just draw 2 and 1/3. 2 is the whole number. It means the whole circle. This is the 1 whole and 2 whole. Okay, so whole, it means nothing left. Just a whole. There's nothing separate with the parts. So the whole. And then the fraction is 1/3. Yeah, we already have the denominator is how many? 3. Third part. Okay, so 1/3. How to do this one? Yes, since we have 1, we shade what? We shade 1. Yeah, as a numerator, and we shade the numerator here, 1 part, and this is 2 1/3. Okay, so this one, how to do this one? Okay, we have only 1 here, right? Okay, I need to cross this one because we only have, should be 1. Yeah, okay, here 1 whole, 1 and 1/3. Okay, so that's the way how you read it. Yeah, this is 1 and 1/3, 2 and 1/3, like that. Whole number and then you say the fraction 1/3, like that. Okay, I think it's clear. And how about this one? Yeah, the same thing. You do the fraction first, the smallest number first. Denominator is 4. Okay, what is that? 3. 1. 3 plus 1, 4. After that, the whole number, 1 plus 1, 2. How we say it? Yes, 2 and 4. 2 and 4/4. 2 and 4/4. Okay, so this is the answer. Since we have what does it mean? Anything that you want to know more? Okay, because the fraction has same number, numerator and denominator, so we rename it as whole, as 1. Yeah, so what is that? So we already have 2, right? 2, you need to plus it with the new 1 whole, so you may write down as 3. Okay, no fraction at all because we rename it as the whole number. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Continue 1 and 3/4. This is 1 and then 3 parts, right? That's it. this one is here 1 1/4, 1 whole, and then this one 1/4. Okay, that's it. And how about subtracting mixed number? Yeah, the same thing like we did before. We do with the fraction first. 4, the denominator is 4, just write down there. 3 minus 2 is 1, and the whole number 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, right now we have what? We have 2 and 3/4, right? So we shade it. 2 and 3/4. This is a little bit tricky. You need to subtract 1 and 2/4. How? Yes, you subtract it 1. So it means you need to cross the 1 whole as you subtract it. Cross 1, yes, like this, just cross it, and then 2/4. Where is 2/4? Yeah, this one. 2, 1. Okay, this is 1, 2. This is how you do with the circle. Okay, since you subtract with 1 and 2/4, you cross the 1 whole and then cross the parts 2/4. This is 2, only 2/4. Okay, like that one. Okay, you may do this one by yourself and open up your books and do it by yourself. Okay, good luck. Okay, right now we are going to do fractional parts on page 69 and 70. Right now, you will give the information. Imagine clock with 8 hours. So this is same as your book, as in your pages, as in your page. So you will see it appear circle like this with the number. Since the information gave you imagine clock with 8 hours, so you have to remember this is the unit with 8 hours. Sometimes the information give you maybe 8 days, 4 days, or 8 night, or what else. Yeah, right now it's 8 hours. So after you have this information, you will have also this one, half of 8. Do you know how to count this one? Before we start to decide and shade the circle here, we have to count this one first. Okay, let me do this one. Don't get confused how to do this one. So since we have 8 hours, so the question is half of 8. It represents 8 hours. So how to do this one? Okay, right now the whole number here, you times the whole number with the numerator. Okay, 8 times 1 equal 8. So you have new numerator. What is your new numerator? 8. Yeah. So 8 as a new numerator because you already times it with 1 as the numerator before. Okay, and then what is the denominator? The denominator is still 2. Okay, you just divide it. 8 divided 2? 4. Cool. So the answer is 4. Half of it is 4. Since we have this answer, what do you have to do next? Yeah, because we have the information 8 hours, so we always start with the information here. Since we have 8, we start from 8 here. And 4, half of 8 is 4. Where is 4? Here, bottom. So this is going to be like this. You connect the number 8 to 4. So what does it mean? Yeah, that is half of an hour, right? Okay, After that, what's next? You need to shade or color. How and which one you color or shade it following the what? Following the clockwise. Do you know clockwise? Yeah, clockwise is going to the right side here. So you shade it here, this one. Okay. Because this is half of 8. How about the 1/4 of 8? How to count it? Same, yeah. So let's make it easy. So this is become 8, right? 8 divide 4. Yeah, 2. Okay. So this is missing number. Can you guess? Okay, this is, what is this? Yes, 1. And next is, yeah, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, I mean, why 7? 6, 7, 8. Okay. So what is the answer? 2. Which one is 2? Yeah, this is 2. So you have to make the, okay, wait, we have new denominator here, right? What is denominator? 4. Yeah. What does it mean? It means you have 4 parts. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, 4 parts. So since we have denominator 4, so how you make it? We divide it into 4th first. Okay, this is 4, right? And then since we have 8, since we have 1/4 of 8 is 2, so this is number 2 here. So you shade this part. Okay, are you clear? Okay, you may try on your Math BJU book.